Ever wondered about the nutritional content of that vibrant bottle of cherry juice made from Michigan Montmorency cherries? Imagine this. With each refreshing sip, you're soaking up a wealth of antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and a generous dash of potassium. With approximately 80 calories each glass is bursting with nutrients and antioxidants. And the star of the show? Anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that adds a powerful punch to your health. So, with every sip, you're treating your body to a vitamin and mineral fiesta. But what does this nutritional powerhouse do to your body? Let's find out. Cherry juice is your sleep's best friend, thanks to its melatonin content. Did you know Michigan-grown Montmorency cherries are a natural source of melatonin, making it the perfect before-bed drink? It's also a post-workout hero, aiding in muscle recovery and easing soreness. And if you're grappling with joint pain from physical exercise, its anti-inflammatory properties may provide some relief, but that's not all. It's also a heart health champion, working to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Cherry juice is not just delicious, but also a triple threat to common health issues. Now that you're excited about cherry juice, how do you pick the perfect one? The tart versus sweet debate is real. Tart cherry juice delivers less natural sugar per serving and a tangy flavor, but sweet cherry juice has its own appeal. Always opt for 100% cherry juice with no added sugars. For lower natural sugar content, look for tart cherry juice concentrate. And remember, cherry juice is a versatile addition to any recipe. Mix an ounce into your morning oatmeal or enjoy a cherry vinaigrette salad dressing. With these tips, you're ready to make the most out of cherry juice in your diet. So, where can you find this amazing cherry juice and how can you sip sustainably? Well, Northern Michigan-based Traverse Bay Farms has been offering 100% pure Michigan cherry juice concentrate with no added sugar for the past 23 years. Keep your unopened cherry juice in a cool and refrigerate after opening. And don't forget, Traverse Bay Farms uses as much locally grown products as possible. Traverse Bay Farms prioritize sustainability, environmental and fair labor practices. Remember, every sip of cherry juice can be a step towards healthier living and a healthier planet.